guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my ultimate skincare kit for acne prone skin, and these are the only products that you need in your skincare regime if you have acne prone skin. So I have products ranging from face wash to chemical exfoliators to face masks to spot correcting treatment to serum to sunscreen, and basically everything that you need in your skincare kit is included in here, along with options in case if you don't have the particular product that I have. So before I begin with showing you all of these products, I just want to mention that all of these products are tried and tested. I have literally used each and every product at some point of time, or I'm using it currently, and they work amazingly well for my sensitive, oily, acne prone skin. And mind you guys, my skin is super duper acne prone. No matter what I do, no matter what I eat, no matter what I apply, I get acne. That is how acne prone my skin is. But these products work amazingly well for my skin, and they help me to get rid of acne. So starting off with the first product, I'm going to be talking about cleansers first. Firstly, I have this Dermaco creamy cleanser. In case if you don't have this, then you can also go for Cetaphil gentle face cleanser. These are both very similar in terms of consistency. They are both fragrance free, color free, and they are non-foaming. They cleanse your skin really well without really ripping off the essential oils of your face. They are very soothing and very calming for your skin, and they are very much suitable for acne prone skin and for sensitive skin as well. They are non-irritating, non-drying, and not harsh for the skin at all. So after cleansing your skin, ideally comes scrubbing. Now if you have acne prone skin, scrubbing is a big no-no for you. You cannot use physical scrubs on your skin because they are really harsh, and you might just end up transferring the acne causing bacteria from one part of the skin to another, and that might lead to more acne. Moreover, you might end up irritating the current acne on your skin, and it might become more inflamed and more painful and make the situation worse. So if you have any acne on your skin, please do not use a physical exfoliator. You can however go for a chemical exfoliator. So the chemical exfoliator option that I have for you all is by the Dermaco. This is their 15% AHA and 1% BHA beginner face peeling solution. This is perfect for beginners. It's very mild, it's very gentle, and you just need to apply this all over your face, wait for about 10 minutes, and then wash it off with water. It helps to gently exfoliate your skin and remove the top few layers of dead skin off your face, and it brings about a very nice glow on your skin. Moreover, if you keep exfoliating your skin once every week or once in every 15 days, it's also going to help in lightening the dark spots and lightening the acne marks that you have on your skin. Now, I don't really use this beginner friendly chemical peel. I use the more advanced version, which is the 30% AHA and 2% BHA face peeling solution by the Dermaco again. Now, this suits my skin really well. It works really well for me, and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. But since this has a higher concentration of actives, I only like to use it once every month. But if you're using the beginner one, you can use it once in every 7 to 10 days, or maybe once every 2 weeks. So after cleansing and exfoliating, ideally one uses a face pack, and clay packs are the perfect kind of face packs that are suitable for acne prone skin. So you can either go for a charcoal clay pack, or an anti-acne clay pack, or a neem clay pack, or an uptan clay pack, whatever that you have available. I love using this Wow charcoal face pack. I have been using this for more than like 3 or 4 years. It works really well for my skin. It brightens up my face. It controls excessive sebum production, and it just makes my skin very smooth and soft while controlling the acne as well. And sometimes when I have a lot of acne going on, or I also like to do spot treatment of the acne using the charcoal face mask itself. So you can use it in multiple ways depending upon your needs, but I like to use this charcoal face pack on my entire face once every single week. It brings an amazing radiance on my skin. The next step would be to use a sheet mask, but if you have acne prone skin, stay away from sheet masks. Even if there are anti-acne sheet masks in the market, you kind of want to stay away from them, because when you apply a sheet mask on your skin, you leave it on for about 15 minutes or something, and along with the serum, the mask also stays on your skin, and that might just clog your pores. It might just cause more acne on your skin. So these things also happen. They have happened with me while using anti-acne sheet mask itself. So you want to skip the sheet mask and move on directly to a face serum. For serums, you want to look out for 2 ingredients, tea tree oil and salicylic acid. I have this Mamaearth tea tree and salicylic acid face serum. This is amazing for acne prone skin. Tea tree oil helps to kill acne causing bacteria because it has antifungal and antibacterial properties. However, tea tree is a very strong ingredient and it might not suit every single person. So if you don't really like using tea tree on your skin, if it doesn't suit your face, then you can go for salicylic acid serum. The one that I have is by the Dermaco. This is their 2% salicylic acid face serum. Now, salicylic acid helps to kill acne causing bacteria and it also helps to unclog your pores. While dealing with acne and pimples, it also helps to deal with whiteheads and blackheads. And even if you don't have active acne on your skin, if you keep using salicylic acid, it's going to prevent acne on your skin. It's going to prevent the formation of whiteheads and blackheads as well. So it helps to keep your skin clear. Now, more than tea tree, salicylic acid really works on my skin and it works very fast. It's a BHA that also helps to exfoliate your skin. Moving on to moisturizers, you want to either go for a water-based moisturizer or a gel-based moisturizer instead of an oil-based moisturizer, because oil-based moisturizers generally clog your pores and lead to more acne. So for a water-based moisturizer, the best pick would be Emollient Moisturizer. This is a Dermat recommended moisturizer and I've been using it for more than 5 years now. It's very gentle. It's got this watery consistency. It has a very fast absorption. It's very lightweight and you can literally wear this during the daytime, during the night time, under makeup, whenever your skin feels irritated or at any point of time basically. And it's suitable for all skin types. It's highly hydrating. However, it doesn't feel heavy or sticky or oily at all. For a gel based moisturizer, the one that really works for me is an aloe vera gel. I love using either Wow or Body Cupid aloe vera gel because their aloe vera gels are 99% aloe vera gels without any color or fragrance. Apart from that, Mamaearth Aqua Glow Moisturizer also works really well for me. This has a very lightweight gel-like consistency and it has very fast absorption. It's very lightweight and it literally gets converted into water when you apply it on your skin. So this is something that also works really well for me. And you can also try a non-comedogenic moisturizer. The one that I recently discovered and fell in love with completely is this Simple Liquid Moisturizer. This is a liquid based, a water based moisturizer which when you apply it on your skin kind of disappears completely into your skin. It's non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores or cause acne, and this is free from alcohol, parabens, all of the harmful chemicals, fragrance and color. So it's a very neat and clean product. After serums, moisturizers, people usually prefer using face oils on their skin, but if you have acne prone skin, say a big no to face oils, be it any oil, be it the most natural form of oil, be it an Ayurvedic oil. Please say no to oils if you have acne prone skin. But if you already are using an oil in your routine that is working out for you, you can continue using it, but do not try out and buy out new oils for your acne prone skin. Now coming to the most important part, that is acne treatment. For acne treatment, you need spot treatment products. The ones that I have been using for years now are Nadoxin and benzoyl peroxide 2.5%. Both of these were recommended to me by dermats, and Nadoxin is a little creamy. It doesn't dry out your skin, but when you apply it on a fresh pimple, suppose a pimple is just forming, it's just coming up on your skin, when you apply it, it disappears the very next morning or maybe the day after that. But you have to use it twice a day, in the morning as well as in the night. And apart from that, benzoyl peroxide is a little bit different in nature. It is drying, it dries out your pimple, and you only want to use it like in the night time. During the daytime it can be really drying, and it might start appearing white, like you might start seeing those white dry flakes on your skin if you like overuse it, or if you apply a lot of it. So avoid using it during the daytime and just keep it for the night time. If you have like a big pimple or something which is just not going away, benzoyl peroxide is gonna like dry it out completely and get rid of it in almost 3 to 4 days. That's just how much time it takes for my big pimples. but both of these products you only want to do spot treatment. You don't want to apply them all over your face, so just on the active acne on your skin. Now moving on to makeup removers, like when I was in college, I had no clue what makeup remover to use. When I would apply makeup and then remove it using a cleansing milk, my skin would break out the very next day, and I used to think that it's the makeup that broke my skin out, but it's actually the makeup remover that breaks your skin out more than makeup. So if you have acne prone skin, then stop using cleansing milks, face oils, or even coconut oil for that matter, cleansing balms, wet wipes, or any kind of other makeup removers that you're using. You only want to stick to micellar water. Micellar water is your best friend if you have acne prone skin. And again, in micellar water, you want to make sure that you don't use an oil based micellar water, because Garnier micellar water comes in two variants: the pink one, which is meant for non-waterproof makeup, and the yellow one, which is meant for waterproof makeup, which contains oil as well. So the yellow one kind of breaks my skin out, so I only like to keep it for my eyes when I'm wearing waterproof mascara, and for my lips when I'm wearing a liquid lipstick. But apart from that, for my entire face, I like using the pink one because it's more gentle and it's never broken me out. It's very, very gentle. And if you can invest a little more money into your makeup remover, then I would advise you to go for Bioderma Sensibio H2O. This has been my skin's best friend for over 3 years now. Ever since I started using it, there is no stopping. I'm never ever gonna stop using it in my life. It's my skin's best friend. It is so gentle in removing my makeup, never breaks me out, never irritates my skin even, and moreover it kind of soothes my skin so well and soothes my acne as well. Sometimes when I have like tiny bumps here and there, and when I use Bioderma on my skin, all of the bumps kind of disappear in absolutely no time. That also happens to my skin. So I don't know what it has, what it does, and how it does it, but it just works really well on acne prone skin. Next up, talking about sunscreens, you want to use either a gel based sunscreen or a matte sunscreen or a non-comedogenic sunscreen, or something that's recommended to you by your dermat. The ones that really work well for my acne prone skin and never ever irritate my skin are 360-degree Sunblock Lotion. This, when I apply on my skin, kind of leaves a very mousse-like feeling on my skin, makes my skin feeling very smooth and soft, like I've applied a primer or something. And it gives you 360-degree protection from UVA and UVB rays, from infrared radiation, from blue light, from every single thing that's out there. It gives you complete 100% sun protection. Another sunscreen that I really like is UV2IR. This was recommended to me by my dermat, and it gives you UVA, UVB and infrared radiation sun protection. Again, it's suitable for acne prone skin. I don't know if it's non-comedogenic or not. I believe it is, because it never ever breaks me out. And in case if you want to try out matte sunscreens, you can try Dermaco Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. This has a matte gel consistency and it's really nice. It doesn't make your skin sweat a lot or anything. You can apply makeup on it and it sits under makeup beautifully, and it prevents your skin from becoming too oily. Apart from all of these products, you also need to include a lip balm in your skincare bag. No matter what skin type you have, even if you have oily skin, you still need to hydrate your lips at least, because your lips go through a lot throughout the day. You talk so much, you eat, you drink and everything. Your lips go through a lot and they need a little bit of care and a little bit of love. So even if you don't apply a lip balm like throughout the day, at least raat ko to laga ke hi sona hai. And even if you don't use a lip balm, at least apply honey or ghee or something. Hydrate your lips, love your lips. That's how your lips will love you back. So those were all of the products that I include in my ultimate skincare kit for acne. I know those were too many products which cannot really fit into this bag, but I generally put like one of each category in the bag, so that's why like they all fit in here. And trust me, all of these products work wonderfully for acne prone skin. They are tried and tested for years by me and they work beautifully without any side effects. So if you have acne prone skin, you can go ahead and try all of these products. The links to purchase them is mentioned in the description box below. So that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram and let me know in the comments below what other videos would you like to see. I'm also planning like an ultimate skincare kit for oily skin, not like acne prone but just for oily skin in general. So in case if you want to see a video like that, or maybe for dry skin or any other skin type, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to make such a video for you guys. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.